Hey guys, this is Canon PIXMA TR7650. This printer is multifunctional printer. You can copy, scan, and print from this printer. This printer is connected via Wi-Fi-Direct with my mobile phone. I want to show you how to print document from mobile phone to this printer. The rules are you need to connect this printer to Wi-Fi network or Wi-Fi-Direct. To print document, you need to go to wherever you save your file. So go to your file, select my files. Then select, if you want to print image, which is photo, you select image. So select documents. These are documents in my phone. So select the particular document. And this document is 2 pages document. To print this document out, gently tap on top of it. Then you will see edit, print, upload to cloud, share, and more. So select print. Then scroll down from the printer list, select Canon TR7650 series. It's available, so you need to select on it. And once you selected the printer, you will see a yellow icon to show you that the printer is ready. Now, the next thing you need to do is scroll down and select copy, color, print on double-sided, and more option. So we want to print this double-sided long edge. Select more option. It show you Canon, Mopria, Samsung, or other app. Then we'll go back. We don't need more option. The paper size is A4. Orientation. Once you select that, then you select the printer icon to print the document. Now this document is printing. There we go. This is the document we printed out, double-sided. Another way to print this document out from your phone to this printer is for you to go to Canon Print app. And this is the Canon Print app, and the printer is ready. So to print document, you need to select print document on top from the app. Then select smartphone or cloud service. Select smartphone. Then you select the document you want to print out. And this is the document we want to print out. 2 pages document. Then you select next. Then you decide if you want to print all of them. We want to print only single page. Page 1. Select current page. It show you 1 to 1. Select next. Select OK. Then print on both sides. Simple X. Instead of printing on both sides, select Simple S. Then go back and select print. Now this document is going to print only 1 page. Printing is completed. Select OK. So this is how to print document from your mobile phone to this printer via Wi-Fi Direct. If you're happy with this tutorial, please do me a favor, like, share, and subscribe. It helps the channel. Thank you very much indeed, and stay blessed. Thank you.